The solar system, our cosmic neighborhood, has fascinated humanity for centuries. From ancient astronomers to high-resolution images from robotic probes, we've come a long way in unraveling its secrets. Yet for all we've learned, the cosmos still holds on to mysteries that leave us in awe and wonder. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most intriguing mysteries that continue to puzzle scientists. We'll journey from the heart of our solar system, where the sun blazes with unexplained energy, to the distant reaches beyond Neptune, where a hidden planet might reside. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed, because the universe is full of surprises. Let's dive in. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. A gas giant adorned with a crown of shimmering rings, a celestial hula hoop visible even with a simple telescope. It's a breathtaking sight, but one that holds a profound mystery. How did these rings come to be? These rings, composed of countless icy particles, are remarkably pristine, reflecting sunlight with an almost unnatural brilliance. Over billions of years, wouldn't you expect some dust to settle to dull the shine? Yet, Saturn's rings remain remarkably clean and bright, suggesting a younger age, perhaps a mere few hundred million years old. This raises the tantalizing possibility that we are witnessing a transient phenomenon, a cosmic ballet in its final act. Perhaps these rings are the remnants of a moon that strayed too close to Saturn, torn apart by its immense gravitational forces. Or could they be the debris from a comet that met its demise in a spectacular cosmic collision? The intricate structure of the rings, sculpted by the gravitational influence of Saturn's moons, adds to the mystery. Understanding how these rings formed and maintain their structure provides insights into the fundamental processes that govern planetary systems. It's a reminder that the solar system is a dynamic and ever-evolving stage for cosmic events. From our human perspective, Mars has always held a special allure. It's a planet that has captured our imaginations and sparked endless speculation about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Billions of years ago, Mars may have been a world teeming with water. Imagine vast oceans, rivers carving their way through canyons, and lakes dotting the landscape. The evidence is etched into the Martian surface: dry riverbeds, ancient shorelines, and minerals that form in the presence of water. But today, Mars is a planet of stark contrasts. Its thin atmosphere offers little protection from the harsh solar wind, and temperatures can plummet to bone-chilling lows. So where did all that water go? That is one of the most compelling mysteries of our solar system. Some water remains locked away as ice beneath the surface and in the polar ice caps. But the sheer volume of water that once graced Mars far exceeds what we see frozen today. Did it escape into space, stripped away by the solar wind as Mars's magnetic field weakened over time? Or could it be hiding beneath the surface, locked away in vast aquifers? The answer to this mystery is of paramount importance. If we can unlock the secrets of Mars' watery past, we might find clues about the possibility of past life on the red planet. The search for water on Mars is a quest to understand whether we are alone in the universe. Chapter 3. Uranus, a planet on its side. Our solar system is a place of remarkable order. The planets, for the most part, orbit the sun in a relatively flat plane, their rotations aligned like spinning tops on a cosmic tabletop. But then there's Uranus, the enigmatic ice giant that seems to have missed the memo. Unlike its planetary siblings, Uranus spins on its side, tilted at an astonishing 98 degrees. Imagine a world where the sun barely rises above the horizon for decades, followed by decades of constant daylight. This peculiar tilt is not just an astronomical curiosity, it's a planetary puzzle that has baffled scientists for centuries. The most widely accepted theory is that Uranus experienced a cosmic hit-and-run early in its history. Picture this: the young solar system, a chaotic time of planetary formation with objects of all sizes whizzing through the darkness. One such object, perhaps a rogue planet or a massive asteroid, collided with Uranus with incredible force. This collision, so the theory goes, knocked Uranus off its axis, sending it tumbling into its peculiar sideways rotation. But there are problems with this theory. For one, the impact needed to tilt Uranus so dramatically would have been catastrophic, potentially shattering the planet entirely. Yet Uranus remains intact, its internal structure seemingly undisturbed. Additionally, Uranus's moons pose another challenge to this theory. Instead of orbiting in the same plane as the planet's equator, they orbit in the same tilted plane as Uranus's rotation. It's as if the entire Uranian system planet and moons was tilted together. The mystery of Uranus's tilt challenges our assumptions about planetary formation and the forces that shape celestial objects. Chapter 4. The Sun's Scorching Secret, the Coronal Heating Problem. The Sun, our star, the giver of life, blazes with the fury of 1 billion nuclear explosions. It's a churning ball of plasma, a giant fusion reactor in the sky. And while it nurtures life on Earth, it also harbors a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades: the perplexing case of the Sun's superheated corona. Let's break it down. Imagine a campfire on a chilly night. As you move closer to the flames, you feel the heat intensify, right? Makes sense. But the Sun doesn't quite play by our earthly rules. The Sun's corona, its outermost atmosphere, is millions of degrees hotter than its surface. The surface of the Sun, where those roaring nuclear reactions occur, is a relatively cool 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet the corona, much farther away from the Sun's core, reaches temperatures of millions of degrees. It's like the air around a campfire being hotter than the fire itself. So what's going on? How does the Sun's atmosphere heat up to such extreme temperatures, defying the basic laws of physics as we know them? That is the essence of the coronal heating problem. Scientists have proposed several theories, each more fascinating than the last. One idea is that the Sun's magnetic field, a tangled web of invisible forces, plays a crucial role. Imagine these magnetic field lines as giant rubber bands twisting and snapping, releasing bursts of energy that heat the corona. Another theory suggests that sound waves generated by the Sun's turbulent interior propagate through the corona, depositing their energy and raising its temperature. Solving the coronal heating problem could provide insights into fundamental astrophysical processes that occur throughout the universe. Chapter 5. Planet 9 from Outer Space. For centuries, humanity believed our solar system ended with Pluto, a lonely dwarf planet in the distant Kuiper Belt. But what if I told you there might be another world lurking in the shadows, a hidden giant far beyond the reach of our telescopes? Astronomers notice something strange about the orbits of certain objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune. These objects, instead of following their expected paths, seem to be influenced by the gravitational pull of an unseen companion, a massive object hiding in the darkness. Could this be Planet 9, a hypothetical planet, perhaps 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting our Sun in a vast, elongated orbit hundreds of times farther out than Pluto? The evidence, while circumstantial, is compelling. The clustering of these distant Kuiper Belt objects, their unusual orbital alignments, all point to the gravitational influence of a large, unseen object. But finding a planet in the vastness of space is like searching for a needle in a cosmic haystack. Astronomers are using the world's most powerful telescopes, scanning the skies for the slightest hint of its presence. The search for Planet 9 is a testament to the power of science, our ability to infer the existence of objects we cannot yet see. From the icy rings of Saturn to the potential for a hidden planet lurking in the distant reaches, our solar system is full of wonders. But as we've seen, these 5 mysteries remind us how much there is yet to discover. They challenge our assumptions, ignite our curiosity, and inspire us to keep exploring the cosmos. The unexplained heat of the Sun's corona, the vanished oceans of Mars, the peculiar tilt of Uranus. These are not just abstract scientific puzzles. They are reminders that the universe is full of surprises, with secrets waiting to be unlocked. The quest for answers continues, driven by our insatiable thirst for knowledge and our desire to understand our place in the grand cosmic scheme. As new technology emerges and space exploration advances, we may one day solve these cosmic puzzles. Perhaps we'll send a probe to Uranus to study its tilt, or develop instruments to unravel the mysteries of the Sun's corona. If you enjoyed this exploration of solar system mysteries, don't forget to like and subscribe for more space content. Let us know in the comments which mystery fascinated you the most. What other cosmic enigmas should we explore?